Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute? That's a staggering amount of content. So, how do you stand out and get your videos seen? Well, it all comes down to one crucial factor: YouTube keyword research. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube keyword research and why it's an absolute game changer for content creators. If you're struggling to get views or rank your videos, listen up. Understanding how to effectively use keywords can make all the difference in getting your content in front of the right audience. Now, let's talk about a challenge that many creators face. You've put your heart and soul into creating an amazing video, but when you upload it, you find that hardly anyone is watching. It's frustrating, right? You might be asking yourself, why isn't my video ranking? Or, how come my content isn't getting the views it deserves? Well, it often boils down to visibility. Without the right keywords, your video could be buried under a mountain of other content, lost in the vast sea of YouTube's search results. Many creators struggle with this, and it's a common pitfall. The good news? It doesn't have to be this way. So, here's what I did. I decided to dive deep into keyword research and find strategies that actually work. First, I started using tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to analyze trending keywords in my niche. I discovered how to identify keywords that had a decent search volume but low competition. This was key. I also made sure to look at what my competitors were using and tried to find a unique angle to stand out. Another strategy one implemented was optimizing my video titles, descriptions, and tags with these keywords. I even created engaging thumbnails that would catch viewers' eyes. With these tactics in place, I was ready to put my plan into action. And then came the moment of truth. I uploaded a new video where I implemented everything I had learned about keyword research. I remember hitting that publish button and feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. Within just a few hours, I started to see views rolling in. It was incredible. My video climbed the ranks, and I began to receive comments from viewers who found my content through search. That's when it really hit me. I had unlocked the power of YouTube keyword research, and it was working wonders for my channel. So, to wrap it all up, the key strategies I shared today are essential for anyone looking to boost their visibility on YouTube. By focusing on effective keyword research, optimizing your metadata, and learning from competitors, you can significantly improve your chances of ranking and getting those all-important views. It's truly a game changer. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried keyword research for your videos? What has your experience been like? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Also, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be diving into advanced keyword strategies that can take your channel to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.